Agree, c'est bien. Regarde, tout ça.
Hello guys, it's your girl, it's Yengwa. I'm live. I'm at the village, as you can see the As you can see, the surrounding is some tattered. I'm just here on the tour, so this is my friend, my village friends, and it's one among the slave queens that I chill with in Benin. So, how are you guys doing? I'll get back to you guys. Let me quickly take a nap.
Oh, sorry, I was it? What it was?
My God.
A
phone. Very expensive. When we do expensive, one in Nora on an iPhone. Yes, on an iPhone 11 Pro Max. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, I'm a picture or take any. A phone now, who said you are dying in the key, or then a Jumia. Oh, I need vegetable. Yes, on application Amuyo. I need money. You go on application Amuyo.
Money ni only go. No banukata ni ma only go.
Because you can't hear the English because you are illiterate. Me that is illiterate, I can relate to that kind of English because I finished kindergarten. So I was onboarded in the house, so I just say let me come out and take some flesh. So in other way, you must say it apart from so that's how I find myself in this very tight situation. I'm trying to zoom out of inside, but it's fine. If I'm Benin, I can't speak Benin. No, I speak English, correct English, fluent or non-fluent English. Yes. So every day, one stranger like that. It was a cold-blooded person, cold-blooded human being. Yes. So it's like cold-blooded man. So because we made not take it selfish. So in that very thing, so I was like, sorry. So you do beg a dresses or the swagalicious character in him, the way he was looking tattered and not tattered. I was like, but I would like to see that person again. No, I've not seen the cold-blooded animal at all. Yeah, I thought as much. It cannot be in this village because this village is uncharted. Cold-blooded animals like that come from different type of the world. So I would like to investigate him. Yes. So I can go on the tour with him. I can't really describe his kind of a personality, but I know God will lead into him because I want to go on a tour with that very cold-blooded animal within the village.
Yes,
I will lose my saliva. I've been using my saliva to speak English, so my throat have dried. My throat has dried up like a river. Though river cannot dry, but my throat has dried up because my throat is not a river and my saliva is at stake. Yes. Bona. Ele ya ti ebo ni ra mi je me le dopa. Ni me se le fa esa. Ukome. Ene gi balo me dere ri zele bona ya fi ene. Because of me packaging no go kill me. I reject every load of packaging that was sent from my father's side to come and break my neck. Where is the cup of the water, please? I'm down. My throat is at stake. Wow. What a great scenario. What a boy to behold. That kind of boy you pour it in the chest, you will not drink bad drink. That's my kind of guy. This true love. I can feel it from my body and soul. My spirit is calling, is nearing for it. My spirit is nearing for it. Ha! I'm looking forward to seeing it again.
Àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó wà gẹ́rẹ̀ rẹ̀ kó mẹ́wàá sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀. Ẹ̀mí náà ìbá rẹ̀ ní akọ́ ẹ̀mí ìgbẹ́gi ẹ̀mí ẹ̀dọ́mẹ̀ dèyọ́ tẹ́mẹ́. Wọ́n ṣe ògì ẹ̀ náà rẹ̀. Ògì ẹ̀.
Okay.
Àbí ìzọ ẹ̀sẹ̀.
Kakaba? It's because my hormonal imbalance is jubilating with tears, with jubilation, with heartbreak, with unscattered heart, with untattered environment. We, the family, we regret to harness the heartbreak, the passing away of loves, and relationship be broken between me and the love I'm seeing in the front. It's a thing of the heart. It's a thing of the heart.
I will no more read school or read school. We work at school in there. I am in water.
I'm going to make school.
I do my resenia.
When you make school, the name now with the bed to Alleluia Zedu. Oh, ma, I can't give me school now. Ebony me zeno why I get ego. Really, and Waga here, we go why I made school. What my day wasted. It was not a wasted energy. It was not a wasted something. I invested it and I partake it into my life. Yes, now.
But I will say when I do the myself in the home.
Now, yeah, because it keep aside the embryo of my other left side brain. Already, so the right side brain, the bigger part of my brain, in I accommodated English language. So the smaller part of the brain, in I accommodated the new language. So lesser part of the bigger lesser part of English.
You know, see me na buwe ade iwe. Ketu ade ni we ya ire. Me na zepo ne te ni zepo yiwa. Oye no fi were we ni ka o wa to tasiko o wa oyo o mewo ni wa game muke ni no game do ba we ba me na so ya get
it's very good when you find people happy. It's good to partake in their happiness. You tap from their blessing. If the blessing is not for them, then you untap from me. So you know. So already now total sikoni to age compact. It's a thing of the heart. So I'm thinking about the future. I've seen my future. I know it's very bright. So I'm trying to package my future. I'm trying to package it in a way the enemies will see it. They will not be able to steal it. When you're aware of your base, I go away. So I'm trying to package it from the enemy so that they will not have enough of why, you know. That's it. Once I see this and everything, because of they very hard. No matter yaje kindergarten or pass out from kindergarten. So you beg COV when you summit. You mirror o panya ya tebe won se yan tebe guarantee imoto emi ya le kekere apartment re do ni ana mi pa o le moto kian official car Yes, you say bye-bye to poverty. Poverty will stay far away from us forever. Yes. Father, stay far away. Make it go far away. Only one go better make it go. But energy stay far away. Poverty go far away. Only one go better make it go.
But energy far away.
Stay far away. Poverty far away. Only me them marry baby. Ahia. Who say ahia.
What is said the woman marry right?
Hey, the brother, it's unsuitable for me. I will adapt you guys so you can partake anywhere you go, you can easily sing it out.
We will walk one and a good bow as if you move. No game, one on many. How can I say many?
Mama, you smile, you last longer. I understand.
More.
I did not really come here to speak English. I came to rest in peace because the art is very good. It do well like yes. Only one no do well no gain freedom. Yeah.
You only never.
The ass is choked. My ass is choked. So I just say let me come and rest in peace in your residence. Yes.
Rest in peace in
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, what you say?
What's up? How are you doing now?
Oh, what you say?
It's like I've seen this before. I'll be my friend. Okay. Yeah, I felt like home. Sit down, felt like home. Like I'll take fresh air.
Is it Buba?
Yeah. Okay, from that part of the world. I can relate. I'm a graduate from Benin. I passed out from kindergarten, so I just came to tour around the village before because I submitted my SUV as a presidential Hajj. So I'm in this village just to rest in peace and cool off my head because the whole scenario is unpatterned. So that's nothing. It's my pleasure and it's not relatable and regrettable to meet you, I must say. It was very nice. Baby, you understand? So, how is your father and mother and your parents? Hope they are okay. You mean my parents, right? Your father and mother, including your parents, they're fine.
You know, no drama, baby. I so
Okay, I'm here and I'm waiting for you. Just be fast. What the? It's really a pleasure meeting you. So it's really nice. So I'm Izewa and I'm the only child of my mother, though I have siblings. Yeah. Yes, I'm the only child, but I have siblings. I hope you have siblings too.
I'm okay. Everything is good. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm very happy to be in this village. My mother and father, they are very okay. My father is a farmer. My mother is a businesswoman, but I'm an orphan. So because I don't normally live here, I have a father and mother. I'm an orphan because I go to be.
Yeah.
You don't make no one then.
Okay, again, no introduce him.
Zegwa.
No one graduate, right?
Oh God. Mommy don't have that boy. But he ain't learning and no give. Ubege, where is the game for the where? You know way. When the ebony, I can when I just go away and I jogging. Already, I'm kind of so wet.
Baby, one thing you don't understand. I know where Osiweni. She don't love them. Yeah, I'm not. The reason is this. I'm a bunny. I sell the door. Was zelle biakabia no was zelle all type of rubbish, you know. My mom won't understand the bunny zene. Yeah, because if I should, you know, listen to her very well, you believe the way bunny zene. Every dictionary, yeah. Every dictionary going marking. Okay, I'm more bunny there.
Miamoto, maoni egwe, umego does there. Oh, Luki. So do I? Where when we do answer na you were magic better. Oh, eh? Ikina je school. We never. Oh, say where the school no jo. Oh, say well. No, we have a ebony razor and we make an audio back in our kid. Then we don't know where. I meant to ask you where we may boy, where the young way, the able not the Macbaham, our able
Umema no go. Able no zeg by. I mean, rubbish in your razor. Don't even want to relax in our because when we man now understand they get it. But anyway, even if I check you, I just want to check on you because I have something important going, okay?
Come on, we worry can she. Hey, I have a pony only. Any poet of a bar or se make beloved quality. After I tell you working to touch without maybe no yaka.
Alright, baby, it's okay. I have something to do, right? I will talk to you later, okay? But I'll say when she knows nothing. Alright, later I'll talk to you.
Hey, no, you can't go yakba. No, you can't go yakba. Everything what I for me, no, that you can say it. I want to walk back, but not. Oh, so many people over there. He said, "Ben, you come up, Dara." Oh, my God, no, what's another one more? Where? So my phone with one say, mother. For next kilo. Oh, what's also many talk kilo to boy, now what? Only a bow of that way, and with one zero.
This predicament is so stable. My brain is so digestible to it. So digestible to it.
Segua no. Bomo yayo. Diegbuwa.
Ah, Baba.
What are you?
No, Brayo Silicon in the diaspora is squeezed.
Etienne, nous casons, mais you est à ma main, courrier qui a des noms, il est égbément ça, ça aussi. Oui, ou le noir.
Ébé, ça, ça.
Oui, ça, ça.
I don't feel loved.
Comment vous?
My intestine is the problem. My mood swing is jubilating. I cannot digest things. My brain is in trouble. Predicament is unpredictable. I cannot see the future clearly. Everything is blurry.
Moi, avec des schools, mais non, ça le boit. Avec mes arouettes, mais des gens, j'ai que on dit, mais name is predictable, name is blurry, name is. Bon, what you make with that, maybe do.
Because the money I actually explain, the money I feel lost. So, why away they okay?
They okay. Yes. Man. You do man, when you get what you gonna do.
No, I'm a balanced.
Ma.
Hi. I'm feeling home. The only thing we used to be enter for this village. I don't know why. Shit, God damn it. Because you can know I'm winning the heart and soul, my body and mind. You can get a kind of girl, you may know, on a kimono school. From there, oh yeah, Zebo, if you are partaking the spiritual lessons and be impartaking something into my head, we are left from him. So that at the end of the day, in your school, the shame will be unbearable. Yes, it will be unbearable for me to digest. I will still try my luck. I will try. I won't give up on love.
Zimbo, do you know what? You know, I don't talk to people like that. It's just because of the love I have for you, you understand? That's the reason why I said, okay, let me just look for a space like this and talk to you. I'm really in love with you, you get what I mean? Yeah.
So maybe where they incompatible. So we might be certain we are related to each other and so one. So that just it. But no we get na get all those things. Me over what was it? Was it
No. You know, it's a trying to go, but on my work with you, I'm not just still accepted me like. But seeing you now, I don't think I don't want to hear more. I just seeing you, in fact, I don't even know what to say. I really love you so much. You know? I don't have anything to do with a friend. You know, that's just it. You know, that's it. You know, that's it.
We get a door, you. A door, woman. So very much, very gonna. Yeah, we are zedo because okay, we marry do. Mezebo. Na iwa be the we marry gaze. So the grammatical error will be too much between the both families. So we cannot compare to it. If by now you talk English, me I talk English, we now born children. Even if we born one children at the beginning, we now have siblings. It will now be hard for the child to relate to all the English, you understand? So you as a father, me as a mother, we will also look for parents so that we will now give birth to the child. So when we are ready to take care of the child will know that it's not an orphan. Because on Eravije, that's it. I know it is. Yes.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Only English now for Logbe because I graduated. I passed out from kindergarten. Maybe maybe from primary 6 we not passed out, but I passed out and I rest in peace in school. So I was now a labor prefect.
Yeah, it's
I
okay.
put people through English.
I understand you.
Yes.
I understand all your.
Let me break it down a little. Let me so you will not break a leg inside the English. I will like if you take a bold step and come and tell my mother and father, my parents at home.
Okay, then I should come myself to see your parents, you know, me family, alright?
Huh?
I should come myself, you know, just to come and see your parents, right? Yeah, need me parents, right?
Yes, that may be Jamie. Dominion without me again, whoever me. Yes, that's what you say.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
You try to understand me.
No, I've understood. I'm trying that what I've understood is what you understand, so that we will not misunderstand each other. So there will not be a misunderstanding in the near future. Right.
Yes. I get
it. Okay. I will be expecting your cousin visit.
Okay. I understand it. But don't forget, I still love you. You whenever you
no problem. I would like so if you reach out, you refresh your brain, you rest in peace and format all those baba things in your head. Just
okay. Alright.
No problem. I myself will also go home and rest in peace. So say adieu to your parents for me. And my condolences. I say my regard forward.
Alright. But cash.
Cash?
Cash. Yeah, cash. Okay, it's okay. I will come and see your people, okay?
Okay.
But can you just tell me you love me just before you...
I love you.
Joro me. Jesus. This thing I did do so we should walk going me. Anyway, I won't know, you know, but oh God. I will let's start. Okay, let's see.
Man ezigbo awaghị ewe mana ihe dị ụwa ya ịmana ya agụ mụ bọrọkpa na ohebo nọzele ero ụgwa gị ya
gbe ewe mi ụgwa kpa nwere ụgwa kpa ye dewo ede mamnela wa
we na pe be re ya wi ese na
be no je na yo bi na mi we aje school gbadu azu
no na ha Assim não fazer even if it's jadi, I will take it. This love is sweet.
Hey, Zibuwa. Hey,
Baba, I cannot digest the happiness. With deep regret, I'm happy to tell you people that I found true love.
You love?
Kakabo, yes.
The
cholesterol was compatible. The mood swings was not inverted. We saw each other, we fell for each other. Some fall, some fell it, but the love was compatible. Now my hormone system are all jubilating for love. They found love. Yes.
Zibuwa.
Sir?
Me no one will with me now.
Obiebo
na no a edokiri a e wo no jako imana no de obiebo mana no ayira biyewu na
Era we just his parents is in the village. Yes, when he had all the way but the siblings based in Benin. Yes. Yes.
We can school at your mommy will do. Umma me do. We go now we hear do now me back and wa agba we.
We find love in a hopeless place. This love in a hopeless place. The uncharted environment. It was compatible. It's like this love brought me here. Yes, the love was calling me all the way from kindergarten. Very soon, I put something for fire. It goes so done. Or done about or relax. Don't bother yourself. Just keep your mind at rest. Oh devil, wait the way. Oh devil. Ebo no na. I mean, I don't want Ebo zena. I don't want to look sheep like a shepherd. You need something that is supposed to be longest past. So you are gualo mere. So you will look for me. You will not know your daughter is of great value like a dollar. I drop. But this time I'm going higher. Well, hurry. Love is sweet. A thing of regretting. After everything I've done for you, you cannot see me. I have total joy. With regret, you are announcing that you are happy.
No happiness at all.
No joy. Josh, you're shattered. You feel bad. You feel you're restless. That you have a graduate. Me, I'm feeling bad. That one not that graduate in school now. Why get all level we graduate in our school get all level now. Why beg the spoken of English? The way we be talking English all day fluent like Imake we already. The graduate in Arona.
Zembua. Huh? Omana aje school 3 years. Omana ya nguna. Ukbe ano ya aje school ye ganjo. Nuwe ya agwali bunawedo.
Wazele bole
guy. He submitted SUP mene. Huh? He submitted SUP here submitted unacceptable by the press. Winner. Even if you school, but you people are making this place comfortable for me. You are making it comfortable. Yes. Or just school, but on my level. The level in Yaji school. I went to school my joy junior, male senior, because I passed out from kindergarten in a J secondary school like that. But kindergarten me now like that. So kindergarten says secondary school. Kindergarten me joy secondary school.
Just to look for my desire. Mama, you get what I mean? Just to look for my desire. But right now, I found my desire here.
Relatable to why, but the thing of the past because when really school I grade kindergarten me na secondary school in Nalada. So a school may ask kindergarten as a secondary school.
Only the man working a boss.
More boss. So he may even try to put in it through. I'm trying to fit into my shoes. So that making us relate to most of the English I speak sometimes and I unspoken. Well, so I English so we unspoken.